Hello students, this is Maestro Elvis again, and now we are going to do the pre-kindergarten Dolch sight words part 2 of 4 quiz. Hopefully you have watched and studied the pre-kindergarten Dolch sight words part 2 of 4 lesson 2 or 3 times at least. And now you are ready for the quiz. Please take out a sheet of paper or a notebook and copy and complete the quiz below. You will need to fill the blanks for each sentence with the words on the left. And the words on the left are the words for this part, which are funny, repeat after me, funny, go, help, here, I, in, is, it, jump, and little. And here are the sentences that you need to complete. Please write these down on a piece of paper or your notebook and fill in the blanks with the words I just read. Number 1, I need your. Number 2, put the food, the bag. Number 3, here is my cat. Number 4, that joke is. Number 5, let's to school. Number 6, I live right. Number 7, don't on the bed. Number 8, am a student. Number 9, this, not difficult. And number 10, put here so I can see it. Again, before we go to the next part, please make sure you stop the video, copy all of these sentences and complete them. And then we're going to check your answers and see where you are. So please copy down these sentences, fill in the blanks with your answers, and we're going to move to the other section so we can check your answers and see how accurate your quiz is. So please stop the video and put it on still so you can copy everything. And soon we're going to check the answers. Here are the answers to pre-kindergarten Dolch sight words part 2 of 4 quiz. Repeat after me. I need your help. Number 2, put the food in the bag. Number 3, here is my little cat. Number 4, that joke is funny. Number 5, let's go to school. Number 6, I live right here. Number 7, don't jump on the bed. Number 8. I am a student. Number 9. This is not difficult. And number 10. Put it here so I can see it. Again, check to see how many answers you got correct. You should have completed at least 7 out of 10 correct here. And if you did, pat yourself on the shoulder. Congratulations. If you did not do at least 7 out of 10 correct, if you did less than that, please study the video, Pre-Kindergarten Dolch Sight Words Part 2 of 4 lesson again. Define the words and translate the words and the sentences. And then take this test again, take this quiz again. And hopefully you will do at least 7 out of 10 correct next time. I strongly encourage you to go back and study if you did not score at least 7 out of 10 on this quiz. If you did, congratulations. We're going to go to the next part, which is Pre-Kindergarten Dolch Sight Words Part 3 of 4 lesson.